Hello everyone, this is my first video. Welcome to the channel. I am Brayden, and we are doing Farming Simulator. I will also try and do mudding videos. I have a four-wheeler. I really want to go mudding. I might try and do a short video of that. But anyways, I'm just looking out at on my porch right now. I'm sorry if the graphics are a little bad or it's laggy. I'm just doing this for my room. I don't have the best stuff. But anyway, let's get right into the video. Today I'm going to go into town and I'm going to trade in my New Holland skid steer for a Bobcat skid steer. So we're going to hook up the trailer, load up the old skid steer, and we should get right into the video. I really hope y'all enjoy this video. If you see my very first video, then I don't really want to use that as my first video. Forget about it, if you will. That was before I actually wanted to start doing YouTube, but I never really got into it, and that video was a while ago. I want to make this my first video. I will try and do uploads once a week. Once I get into it, I might try and do twice a week uploads. So right now, I started this map. We're gonna try and do roleplay. Drop down in the comments if you want something other than roleplay, I don't know, just drop some ideas down if y'all want something different. We're gonna do roleplay. We have a farm up here in Michigan. This is the Michigan map. We're gonna do, I think we're gonna do corn. Let's just set that up. We're gonna be planting corn, and we'll just, plant, cultivate, harvest, haul off, get some money for it. So really, we're just living a life, role-playing. And I really hope y'all like these videos. This is my first time on YouTube, really. I did have a channel before this, but those videos weren't that good. I didn't really like them. And I think I got my filming and everything better now. And we're gonna try to actually have some good videos. Right here is the old skid steer. It's a New Holland C232. It works good. I've used it for a lot of stuff, but it's just getting old and it broke down a few times. So we trained it in for a new Bobcat. Real quick, this is my equipment. If y'all want to request a brand of equipment, go ahead and drop it in the comments, but I wanted to spread everything out. The two most common brands I have are probably John Deere and Case, as you can see right here. I do have an IMT 5500, and I do have another John Deere combine. I'm a John Deere fan, but I also wanted to mix it up. And we're about to get a Bobcat. So really just a mix of brands. Alright, this thing, the only faster, that would be good. Oh, I already ran into a pool. I just want to say this again, I apologize if the game is laggy. I don't have the best PC right now. Let's just get this up. We should be good to go. If you're looking for some of the mods I have, they are in Farming Simulator's mod hub, but not all of them. This truck and a few other mods are from the modnetwork.com. They have a bunch of great, amazing mods. I need to get my mod network fixed because for some reason it won't appear, the mods won't show up once I download them, but it should work for y'all. I don't know, but I don't know if y'all would have problems or not. I didn't have problems at first. It's probably just an issue with my computer. And I'll try and get better driving in Farming Simulator because this is roleplay. There she is, the Bobcat Turbo 863. John, we can just park right here since there's no one in the parking lot. And this is really just the back where they put all your equipment out. Let's go ahead and shut off the truck. Alright. We will get this unloaded. They told us just to park it in the in one of their back rooms off to our left over here. Just park it in one of those rooms and they'll take care of it. Oh, I was trying to look at that. I just wanted to let y'all know in case y'all want to go check these guys out, but the people that inspired me are the Squad, Austin Farmer, and the Funnel Pickle. They all do great Farming Simulator videos. Go check them out if you want some good content. Also, I would appreciate if y'all would also continue watching my videos. I would really like that. Alright, we'll just leave it right there. Close the door and let's load up the Bobcat. Oh yeah, forgot, I need to talk to John Deere about the attachments. Here, I'm gonna go inside real quick. I'll meet y'all guys in a minute. Alright, thank you very much. We just bought a pallet fork for our Bobcat. Right now, we really only need this for pallets and other things. So, we're just getting the pallet fork for now. Pretty clean interior. I like it. Has one of those backup lights or beeps. Alright. And keep in mind, this is just Farming Simulator. If I mess up on something in the roleplay, try and, if you want to, drop it in the comments. I really want to make the videos the best experience for y'all. Alright, that's all set. Let's hop in the truck and start it and fold up the ramps. Now we can head home. And really, I hope the graphics and I hope it's not too laggy for y'all watching this video. I really want to make it the best experience, but I just don't have the right stuff right now. Hopefully I can get some better stuff in the future and have less laggy videos and better quality. Look at all that corn. And we live fairly close to the shop right now, or the John Deere dealership. And it's a John Deere dealership, but it does sell other brands, as you could see. If you saw the sign, I don't know if I even pointed it out in the video. Sorry about that. We need to slow down for the turn into our property. We do already have a field bot, and when it is, my seasons mod doesn't work on this map for some reason. That's another problem I have that I want to fix. But I can show y'all the field, and I picked a field that was planting corn just like me, and I wanted to, or not planting, but it was pretty much in the same state as me, and I wanted to base my field off that. I have to, oh no, looks like there's some oil under there. I'm gonna run into the shop and get some oil. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I thought it was in that shop. It was actually in this shop. Next video, I think I'm going to give y'all a tour around the farm. The video might be next week. As I said, I'm going to try and upload once a week, and I might bump it up to twice a week to give y'all the content. Oh, it has some thick tires on it. It actually has some higher speeds too. That's an upgrade. I'll just get this part. I love this skid steer. Really good piece of equipment. Well guys, thank you for watching the video. Unfortunately, this is going to be the end. I will try and upload again next week, and come tune in for that. Have a nice day.